Hello everyone, welcome to Flowsell. In this video we'll walk you through how to quickly complete the initial setup so you can start testing the service right away. Let's begin. After you connect the integration, you will see a window like this. Here you can select which types of notifications you want to send to your clients. For example, appointment creation notifications, appointment reminders, feedback requests, and repeat visit reminders. Once you've chosen the notifications, we usually recommend choosing all of them. They are already coming pre-selected, so just click the next button. Select your branch, add links to your social network, and add links to your map locations. For example, from Google Map. Then you click the next again. Now you'll see two options. You can configure everything by yourself. Choosing this option, just need to select the date, for example today, or if you have any questions or something isn't clear, click need help from a manager. That way our manager will reach out to you either by phone or in chat to help you set everything up and answer your additional questions. Finally click finish, and congratulations, your quick start setup is complete.